Are you tired of bottle flipping? Try this new distracting trend, the fidget spinner.
There ain't no reason you and me should be alone tonight, yeah, baby.
Not able to pay attention in class? Tired of constantly bouncing your leg? Don't worry, we have a solution. It's the fidget spinner.
Yeah, baby. Right on the limits where we know we both belong tonight. It's hard to feel the rush, to rush the dangerous.
Are you supposed to be doing a project in class? Nah.
I'm on the edge of glory.
In test before, I've never had a problem focusing, but why get A's when I can get D's with playing with my fidget spinner?
I'm hanging on a moment with you. I'm on the edge.
Are you having trouble getting friends?
Hello.
Loser. The solution to all of your problems.
You're not a loser.
Hey, baby. Oh my god.
Edge of something final we call life tonight. Alright.
Hey, Dan. Want to see something kooky? The spinner spun me. Jerry's disappointed.
Alright. It's hard to feel the rush, to rush the dangerous. I'm gonna run right to the edge with you, where we can both fall in love. I'm on the edge of glory, and I'm hanging on a moment of truth. Out on the edge of glory, and I'm hanging on a moment with you. On the edge, the edge, the edge, the edge, the edge, the edge, the edge. I'm on the edge.
That's your friends.
Hey, baby.
You're not a loser.
What did I say?
Who?
What did I say?
Hey, baby. Oh, that was a guy's god. Ooh. I got a towel. Am I gonna be like
The whole video. I just said I love them, but I hate them, but I need them.